Hello, all friends. This is Abdahi Forex, and today we will discuss about gold movements. And hopefully, all of my friends they will understand what is the moment. All those who do not understand English, they can consult me in and DM me for more. And here we have to first discuss about the fundamentals because today market will be driven by the fundamentals. That is regarding the ADP NFP. Here you can see that. That is EDP NFP, employment cost index, federal fund rates, FOMC statement. Definitely, this will move the market. FOMC press conference. These all things will definitely give the direction of the market. So here we will discuss mainly about federal funds rates and FOMC statements, and afterwards we will be witnessing FOMC press conference. Definitely we will listen to that, and after that we will tell you what is the expectation about gold and other currency pairs. Because for USD, either the chairman Fed can be dovish or he can be hawkish on the states. With all that in mind, we will discuss about future movements of the market. Primarily, we will discuss about gold, and afterwards we will discuss about currency pairs. So here, ADP, NFP. First of all, you can see that unemployment is increasing with this forecast. If we see a forecast, it tells that unemployment is increasing, but maybe because you can see that there were a news and yesterday, and we can see that jobs were increasing, job openings. These were increased, and not only in some thousands, rather millions were increased. So for this, we can expect that obviously this is regarding the job survey, and this is the data by the US Stats Department. So this can also be very crucial, that if it is given as a 170 or 174, then it will give the boost to the gold towards the downside. So first we will look at the results, and afterwards we do not gamble. We look at the news, and then afterwards, once the market spikes are over, we enter the trade, and 80 to 90% of the times we remain in profit. So this time we also expect that after ADP NFP is announced, we will first trade on that. Okay, and then later on we have news about federal funds rate, which is you can see it's again constant, and the forecast is that it will not be reduced, it will be kept constant. It will not be increased, not it will be not it will be reduced, it will be kept constant. So for constant federal funds rate, it can be seen that what are the next federal fund rate decisions, like in March, what can be the next federal decision, fund rate of decision, whether it will be reduced or not. So obviously they cannot reduce it all at once. They will take, for example, 25 basis point, or maybe 10 basis point, or maybe 50 basis point. It will not be reduced more than that. And with the FOMC statement, with this news, we do not expect a high impact. With this news, I'm telling you, with this news, we will not be expecting. Definitely, a market will be having very bigger spreads. So do not enter at this time, or your account will be blown. If you have smaller equity, do not enter at this time, because market spread will be lower, but there will be no more effect, because people will be waiting actually for the FOMC statement and FOMC press conference, because this is what the future is. That actually the effect of federal fund rate constant federal fund rates have already been driven to the market, and this gave a boost to the market, in fact, because they were not reducing these rates, they were projecting to be reduced. So already gold has taken a little bit boost due to that projection that market federal fund rates are constant but will be reduced in March. So this has already given a very sharp upward moment, and also some war effects, they also given that effect. So with this we can see that this federal press conference. We will listen to that and we will tell in our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. Go join that Telegram channel. We will tell you things about all the next future moments in that, and also we have a WhatsApp community. You can go and see that. So let's talk about that gold moment technically. Yesterday you have seen that after this job opening, you can see that gold has taken a sharp downward movement, and after that it has taken a support at the level of 2030, almost 2930 level. This was the support which gold has taken, and after the market is moving a little bit towards the upside. We cannot say that this is a very large movement, a movement of 100 to 150 pips. It's actually a consolidation, but if we see a bigger movement like 200 pips, 300 pips, then this is something you can say that it has given us some good moment, like market gave this moment of around 47 to almost 27. This is 200 pips movement. This is where we need to see that what actually market has given us here, because market was going in a very sharp direction towards the upside. It was expected that job openings will be negative, but it has come out to be the positive, on the positive side. And here market has taken a support. And if we talk about the pattern technically, so it is giving us somewhat like a bearish flag, and it can go and retest that 2023 level. Yes, this is what actually market is telling about the you can say technical side, not fundamental side. Fundamental side, I have already told you that we will first see what the news is saying, and after that we will trade. But I have told you about the effects of news, which we can see. And if news comes against that against US dollar, then definitely market needs to go up, and from here we expect that market will reach 2060 level. And if market keeps on consolidating here at this level, and news comes out and it is against the US dollar, then or it is in favor of US dollar, we can expect that definitely this news, we see that if it is positive, then US dollar will go up and gold will go down. Fine. And if we see that this news is positive here, sorry, negative here for US dollar, then definitely gold will take a sharp movement up from here towards 2060 level. This is where we see the news and what is actually the outcome of news. Do not take any trade in a rush, just to follow what we are telling you here, and what you actually need to follow in our Telegram channel. So must join that. We have given you the strategy that this is the very important level. Our preference is that gold will come down to this level of 2023. From here we will see good news or bad news or whatever we can say. If it is against US dollar, then definitely market will move up. But if it is in favor of US dollar, then market will further move down. And we can expect that from here, because market is actually market was waiting for this news, and if it is in favor of US dollar, then market will further go down towards 1980 level, not in a very straight pattern, but maybe after a little consolidation, or you can say a little corrections, retracements, and after that market will reach that, because it will set the direction of the gold market, whether to the upside or to the downside. That I am telling you again and again, do not lose your money. Okay, if you are not sure about the news entries, no problem, do not take any trade. We have a lot of opportunities, we have thousands of opportunities. Actually, we have told you that this is gambling if you trade whenever a news comes, and if you trade wisely and you see that okay, news is coming, and I will look at news, it is in favor or it is negative, accordingly I will trade, then definitely it will give you profit. But if you trade in a gambling way once, maybe you are lucky enough to earn millions with that, but all of a sudden you can lose all those millions in one spike of the market, and it happened in the past with many big traders because they gambled and they didn't know that market will go against. Nobody know that where the market is going. We can give some hints. We can just tell about a little bit of those movements, but projecting that with 100% of the accuracy, it is not even whosoever is sitting in the market. It all goes with the algorithms in the market. Hopefully you have got the idea, and we will discuss our currency things in our Telegram channel whenever news will come out. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.